Okay, you're filming.
Ready?
Yep.
You can make it over there? Perfect, so I'm going.
Oh shit. Keep going, keep going. Holy shit. Dude, there was a crack that I believe formed right before my eyes. Right here.
Oh man.
Oh no. Okay.
This is Marcus' bumper made? Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Good job.
Alright, that's it, man. Alright, show me rolling over.
Okay.
I slipped into it, though.
That was your bumper in there.
Did you catch that?
Come stand over here.
Should I move it further away?
Dermer, this crack formed right as you were rolling over. So it looks like this whole thing here is moving.
That's good. It might close. It might.
You might close it up. But we should be careful. Maybe we should stand over there.
Back?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
so fun.
you can stop it.